Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, normally I don't talk, but I've been told I need to talk because apparently a lot of you will like my accent, but here we go. This is a tour of some of the things I bought from auctions. Basically, we're in the junkyard that is Fix It Restore It's junkyard. First off, we have a nice Delta Homecraft. As you can see, in serious need of reconditioning. A lot of these things I'm going to be showing you are what I would say is major projects. Certainly something I need to get some vapor rust or something like that for rust removal for sure. Anyway, nice old bandsaw here. Doesn't work at the moment. This is also another bandsaw by Sears Crafting. This does work. At least it did the last time I turned it on. Just sitting out here waiting to be restored. Generally when I buy from auctions, I hope that if it's an older machine, I'm hoping it doesn't work, because it really does stop people from buying these old machines. And generally, it really doesn't take a whole lot to get them going again. Especially like this old planer. Maybe you actually can see it real good. This one actually works, apparently. Haven't tried it. Now this one, you really can't see a very good view of it. Has a remote motor on there with a pulley, so if it doesn't work, all we need to do to get this one going is to change the motor, and as you can see, it does turn quite easily. Here's a better look at that Craftsman planer. It's an older one for sure. Would make a nice restoration project though. It's actually meant to be a bench model. They put it on this weird handmade metal contraption that's very wobbly and very short too. It's only like 2.5 foot to the top of the table. Anyway, this will make a nice... I need to look up the numbers actually to see how old this thing is. I'm sure it's pretty old. And sometimes at auctions you buy things where you're not really certain of their origin. But this one, I'm kind of hoping that really isn't radioactive. Not that it would do any good, but that's why I have never taken the top off this one. Okay, so finally here's a few of the hand tools I have. Now I've got bunches of axes, knives, cleavers, hammers, you name it for hand tools. So many selections. But these are a few of the ones I've picked up recently. Some you may have seen before, quite possibly some you haven't. This one is actually on my Instagram page. This was donated to me. I'm really looking forward to getting this one up and running again. And some of these are just in job lots they buy at auctions. And at auctions sometimes they will bundle tools together. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. And these are just a few of the various presses and vices. Hopefully you can see that it's quite sunny out here today in Southeast Texas. This one's an interesting one. If you know the history of any of these things, just put a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I try to answer all the comments, even if it's nasty. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one.